Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. In today's video, we're talking about this weight set. Now in today's video, I want to talk a little bit more about this weight set and help you know what it's like to use it. Now, first things first, you'll notice the weights are very high quality. They kind of have a plasticky feel to them, but they're very strong and very, very durable. The weight set does provide kettlebell attachments. So if you want to actually go ahead and drop the weights onto the kettlebell base, you can go ahead and put them on and then screw the top onto the kettlebell base and use them as a kettlebell. One thing I really appreciate about this weight set is the grip on the dumbbells is really nice and rugged and very easy to grip. And it is a little bit rubberized, but definitely texturized, and it makes gripping these dumbbells nice and easy. The squatting pad has a really nice level of comfort to it, and you can actually go ahead and screw the end of this onto the dumbbells. And just like that, we've turned the dumbbells into a long squatting bar that you can go ahead and add weights to. Overall, this is a fantastic, very high quality weight set, and I'm very impressed with just how strong and durable the weights actually are. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.